Here's how to fix the signature not verified error in a PDF. First, open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once the document is open, click Menu in the top left corner. Then select Preferences. In the left sidebar, click Signatures. Under the Verification section, click More to open the signature verification settings. Next, uncheck the option labeled Require Certificate Revocation Checking. Then click OK. Click OK again to save the changes. Now reopen the PDF or check whether the signature is verified correctly. In many cases, this resolves the issue immediately. If the error still appears, go back to Menu, Preferences, Signatures, More, and enable Require Certificate Revocation Checking again. Some certificates verify correctly with the setting enabled, while others work with it disabled, so it's worth trying both options. If the signature still isn't verified after changing the setting, the digital certificate may have expired, be unavailable, or not be trusted on your device. That's all for this video. Thanks.